Uh, my name is Thompson, and today I will want to show you guys something very interesting on how to earn on Binance. Okay, today I'll be talking to you guys practically about a program on Binance that can help you to make some extra income, okay, some passive income, even if you don't trade your coin. Even if you are not into like normal trading, okay, buying and selling of coin on Binance. But this particular system I'm talking about is like staking. You putting your money into a coin that is about to be launched on Binance, and you earn passively on a daily basis. Now, the name of the program is called Binance Launchpad. Like if you look at my mouse here, that's the name of the program. You can call it Launchpool or Launchpad. Okay, that is the name of the program. Okay, now the beauty of this particular form of earning on Binance is this: you don't need to go through the fear of okay, what is happening to the coin today? Is the coin going to depreciate? Like you and I know, for quite some time now, the market has been unstable kind of, and Bitcoin and all the altcoins have been falling. Okay, now we can't just fold our hands and begin to wait until the market becomes stable before we'll start earning. No, we still need to earn, and Binance is giving us that opportunity to earn even without trading. Now, this Launchpad, let me go to Launchpad so that we'll look at it. It's a program that Binance actually launched to help coin owners to project their coin to the public. Okay, it's like it's a platform whereby if you have a new coin, you come in here, give the coin exposure through Binance, okay, and people will now come to farm that coin and they get daily reward. It's like a passive income, but believe you me, you can make a good amount of money even from this. Let's get to read this. This is Binance token launch platform. Like I rightly told you, if there's a new token that is about to come to the market, they take advantage of Binance platform, okay, by giving that token exposure and raising liquidity for that for that token. And in that process, those people that comes in, people like you and I that comes in to support the launching and listing of this new token, will get daily reward, okay, from the launch of this token. Now, in this case, I'll be using Clay as an example. This is Clay. Now, Clay is about to be launched on Binance, and now investors, traders are coming in now to like put in some certain amount of money, okay, so that money that you put into that coin through Binance, okay, is called farming. This is it. It's just like you're looking at your traditional farming. You put in you put in the seed into the ground, okay. Then after some time, you begin to harvest, okay. But in the case of Binance is even saying that you don't need to wait long. If you put in your money to support a coin today, like in the next 24 hours, you begin to your investment begin to yield interest, passive income for you, okay. So let's look at this. This is Clay, okay. This is Clay, and the farming period is for 14 days, okay. Now this is the total reward, okay. 1,332,433.0000, okay. This program is beautiful. If you get to understand it, you now know how a whole lot of guys have started making money on Binance. I'm going to show you something today. By the way, if you are new to my channel, I will advise you to please click the button below to subscribe, okay. I drop a whole lot of valuable videos. If you go to my channel, you can see, and from now henceforth, I'll be dropping a whole lot of clue on how to earn on Binance even without you trading, okay. So let's continue. Now this is Clay. So how the system works is this: if you have BNB on your spot wallet, on Binance, you can decide to support this coin, Clay, by staking a certain amount of your BNB here. And now this is the annual yield, percentage yield, okay, is 2.52%. Now, let me show you the amount of Binance that investors have used to support this Clay. Now, total stake is 3,366,446.3999 Binance. You can imagine that. 3,666,464.3999 Binance is the amount of Binance that investors have staked on Binance to support Clay. And you can imagine the interest they get. For this period of farming, you get 2.5% interest. Okay. Now, one issue I would like to address is that because of the fluctuation of unstable coin, because of what is actually happening in the market of recent, of Bitcoin and altcoin falling, for that reason, some persons are scared of staking their money with BNB because they feel if BNB drops, their coin will depreciate. Okay, but the advantage is this also: if BNB appreciates, then your coin will also appreciate. Irrespective of that, you'll still be getting your 2.52% interest. Okay, but for me, because I want to deal, I don't really understand the market for now, so I want to deal with stable coin. So I decided to deal with BUSD. You can also stake with BUSD. Okay. Now, for the purpose of this video, I stake 35 points, almost $36 on this. Okay. That is what I stake. So irrespective of the movement of the markets, whether the market appreciates, whether Bitcoin goes up or it comes down, irrespective of that, my finance, my money will be stable here because I stake with Binance, and I'll be making my daily, okay, my daily profits. Okay, if you watch this circle here, you can see Clay. You can see this is Clay. This is the profit I've made so far. Now the beauty of it is this, and I'm getting 2.02% on my total stake. So you can imagine if you come in here and you say, okay, well, I want to stake like $1,000, I want to stake $500, I want to stake $100. It depends on your financial power. You stake whatever you feel you want to stake here, and you'll be making interest of 2.02% just for 14 days. Okay. Now, the interesting thing is this: your capital does not depreciate, and you can also decide. Okay, you can also decide to redeem your stake at any point in time. Let me show you that. I'll just come here and click pending harvest. You can see it's saying pending harvest because I've not taken my harvest. That is, my interest is there. Look at it. I've not redeemed it. If I want to redeem it, I click on pending harvest, and I can redeem this straight to my spot wallet. Okay, I can redeem this straight from here to my spot wallet. Okay, now if you can see here, as you can see here, this is actually my capital, and this is the interest I've made so far, and the interest is in Clay. Okay, so if I want to redeem it, I just click harvest all here now, and my interest goes directly into my spot wallet. Okay, but I'm not harvesting it now because I want my interest to actually accumulate. So in 8-day time, okay, this farming will come to an end, and you can take your capital and your interest. But if you invest in it, you can decide to do it at any point in time, and there's nothing that can stop you from doing that. But I just want to show you that you can actually make extra income. You can earn on Binance without you holding to your coin just for the movement of the market. Okay, so you can see so many other coin. After is farming also. Okay, after we end just in a day time from the present time of shooting this video, after we end very soon, which is tomorrow. Okay, you can see the amount of BNB invested in it, 6,368,732.4176 BNB. Okay, let me shock you. Let me see you can on this ATA you can also invest through Dotpool. Okay, you can stake here. You can see people invested at 29,866,809.1214 dots. BUSD is always having the huge number of investors. You know why? Because it's a stable coin. So irrespective of the movement of the market, you know that your coin will be stable and you're still going to make interest on it. So you can see this is BNB. This is what people stake on ATA. ATA is the name of the coin, of the token that is about to be launched that people supported. Imagine this humongous amount of BUSD that people invested on this. 594,704,864.8291 BUSD. That is humongous. That is huge. So that goes to show you that people are actually taking advantage of this opportunity on Binance. And I will actually encourage you to do that so that you can be getting your daily passive income. A whole lot of coins have actually gone through this Launchpad on Binance. Okay, they gain exposure. Okay, then they also gain that financial backup. Okay, you can see this coin bar is actually the official Barcelona coin. Okay, and so many other coin like that. Okay, so if you've not actually subscribed to my channel, I will encourage you to do that now. Click the link below this video and subscribe to my channel, as I will be showing you several ways that you can earn on Binance without you trading your coin, like doing the normal trade, okay, or holding to your coin waiting for it to go up or to no. I will show you different method on how you can make passive income on Binance. Okay, I will want to end the video here, and tomorrow I'll be dropping another video to show you how you can make. There are several ways that I actually make earning on Binance, and I'm ready to show you guys, okay, all those different methods on how to make those earning on Binance. Okay, so subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Ciao.